Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money with Facebook ads. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Welcome to our video on how to make money with Facebook ads. If you're looking to make money online, you might be wondering if Facebook advertising is a good option. With over 2 billion active users, Facebook offers a vast and diverse audience that can be targeted with precision. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about Facebook advertising and help you understand how it works and whether it's right for your business. First, let's take a look at how Facebook advertising works. Facebook advertising is a form of online marketing that allows businesses and organizations to promote their products, services, and brand on the world's largest social media platform. Facebook ads are displayed in users' news feeds, and can be targeted to specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. This means that you can reach people based on their age, gender, location, job title, interests and more. Next, let's talk about the benefits of Facebook advertising. There are many benefits of Facebook advertising for businesses and organizations, including the ability to reach a large audience with highly targeted ads, the ability to measure results accurately, and the relatively low cost of running campaigns. Additionally, Facebook ads can be used to achieve a variety of marketing objectives, from building brand awareness to generating leads or sales. It also offers a wide range of ad formats, such as image, video, carousel, and slideshow ads, that allow you to choose the format that best fits your message and budget. Furthermore, Facebook's advertising platform offers advanced targeting options, such as retargeting, which allows you to show ads to people who have already interacted with your business in some way, such as visiting your website or engaging with your Facebook page. Now, let's take a look at how to create a Facebook advertising campaign. The first step is to choose your advertising objective. There are several objectives to choose from, such as increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, promoting engagement, or boosting conversions. Choosing the right objective is crucial, as it will determine how your ad is optimized and how it's going to be delivered to your target audience. Once you've chosen your advertising objective, it's time to create your ad. To do this, you'll need to write a headline and copy that speaks to your target audience and compels them to take action. You'll also need to select an image or video that will grab attention and get people interested in what you have to say. When writing headlines and copy, keep in mind that less is more. Use high-quality visuals that accurately represent what you're selling or promoting. Additionally, make sure to include a clear call to action that tells people what you want them to do next. Whether it's visiting your website, signing up for your newsletter, or making a purchase. After creating your ad, it's time to set up your targeting options. Facebook offers a variety of targeting options, including location, demographics, interests, and behaviors. When choosing your target audience, think about who your ideal customer is and where they are located. You can also use interests and behaviors to narrow down your target audience even further. For example, if you're selling women's clothing, you might target women who like fashion and live in urban areas. Additionally, you can use Facebook's Custom Audiences feature to upload a list of email addresses or phone numbers and target people who are already in your database. As you start running your campaign, make sure to monitor your ads' performance and adjust your targeting options accordingly. Facebook's advertising platform offers a range of metrics that allow you to track how your ad is performing in real time, such as reach, clicks, conversions, and return on investment. Use this data to optimize your ad and make adjustments as necessary. There you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to make money with Facebook ads. Facebook advertising can be a powerful tool for businesses and organizations of all sizes. And it's important to understand how it works, what the benefits are, and how to create and optimize your campaign. Remember to choose your advertising objective, create an engaging ad, target the right audience, and monitor your ad's performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on Earnings 101 channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com for more information on how to make money online.